Oh my god, no, it's going all the way down, bro. Oh my god, we just need a little bounce back to 360k to buy that brand new trap house, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, the buyers, I know you guys got it, man. Okay, fuck it, bro. I think I'm just gonna remove liquidity. Alright, what you do, go straight back to the website, click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. Come on, bro, hurry up. And then boom, we just made. I made over $739,000 last month, and it's all sitting right here in my Phantom wallet. Solana meme coins made it happen. I'll show you how I did it one step at a time. Guys, if you are tired of losing your money, listen up, because I'm about to show you guys exactly how you're going to launch your own meme coins on a website, this one, that most coins are created on, by the way. Now, the thing that is common and 100% guaranteed with these coins is they all start at 0 and end at 0. That's what I like to think about it. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how we create these coins. We wait for buyers and then we dump. As simple as that. Simple! Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at Barsic. Now, I'm sure you guys have heard of Barsic, right? The cat, Hasbullah's cat. Now, this meme coin was created in November of last year, and in just a week, less than 5 days, this coin hit $300 million in market cap, and the very next week got rugpulled. Now, who do you think walked away with all that money? It's Hasbullah. As simple as that. So how are you guys going to create your own meme coins? Well, you're going to go over to coinlabs.fun. This website is the launchpad for hundreds of thousands of meme coins, successful or not. The thing that's beautiful about this website is that it's fully repeatable. You can do it every single time you want until you are rich. And let me tell you, the feeling is like none other. You will be able to do things you could never even imagine. You will be able to buy things, bless up people like your family and friends, which you should. And I'm telling you guys, you will be addicted to the money, so stay tuned. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only. So please do not copy me, but enjoy the video. Now, the reason why you guys are going to be wanting to create your coins on coinlabs.fun, first of all, it requires no coding, and your coins are instantly launched onto the Radium Dex. Now, with the Radium Dex, it's basically the graduated category for all these meme coins. And once your coin is created on the Radium Dex, you get way more eyeballs, way more attention, and then way more buys. Whereas if you went to Pump.Fun to create your coin, you guys would have to wait for a bonding curve. And so what a bonding curve is when your coin hits about 90k, the liquidity pool goes straight to Radium, and then you have to do that. But all of this is time consuming, and when you create your coin on Pump.Fun, your coin just gets dumped into an ocean of bullshit ass coins, and no one can truly see them. That's why you guys will want to create your coins on coinlabs.fun. Now, the easiest way to make a profit is by going on the copy trending coins tab on coinlabs.fun. Now, what this tab is, the website going through all of BullX, all of Pump.Fun, and even all of Photon, and finding the coins that are proven concepts. Alright, these coins are proven to generate hella fucking bread. Now, the 3 golden rules that I apply to make a shit ton of money is, first of all, your coin has to have over $30,000 in market cap for it to be decent and a good pick. Now, also, the upside of this only takes one click. Click create coin. You have to create the liquidity pool, and that's all there is to it. Now, my second golden rule is that it has to have, when you refresh the page, it has to have a last bot in under 15 seconds. Now, this will mean that your coin has enough volume to support itself and others. Now, my last rule is that, and maybe the most important, is the narrative. Your narrative has to be important. It has to be in the news or whatever. If you find it on X, it is a good narrative. Alright, so remember that. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyan from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now, if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us. I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit. Here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.